In this video, you'll learn how to log out or remove a Phantom wallet from your browser. By following the steps outlined, you will successfully manage your wallet accounts and ensure that your settings are just how you want them. Begin by opening the Phantom wallet extension in your browser. You can locate this in the toolbar area, usually at the top right corner of the browser window. Once you click on the Phantom icon, the wallet interface will appear, displaying your current wallet information. Next, locate the settings icon within the wallet interface. This icon typically resembles a gear and is usually found in the lower left corner of the window. Clicking on this icon will take you to the settings menu, where you can manage various aspects of your wallet. After that, select the option labeled Manage Accounts. This option is found in the settings menu and will direct you to a list of all wallet accounts associated with your Phantom wallet. This screen provides a clear overview of the accounts you currently have. Now, find the wallet account you wish to remove from the list displayed. Each account will be listed with its associated name or address, making it easier to identify the correct one. Once you've located the desired account, proceed to the next step. Click the three-dot menu next to the account you want to remove. This menu may also be referred to as the More Options menu. After clicking it, a drop-down will appear displaying different actions you can take regarding that account. Select the Remove Account option from the drop-down menu. This action initiates the removal process for the selected wallet account. You will then be prompted to confirm this decision before proceeding further. Finally, confirm the removal of the account when prompted. This confirmation is essential to ensure you genuinely want to delete the wallet account from your Phantom wallet. After confirming, the account will be removed and you will return to the Manage Account screen where the account will no longer be listed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.